Hey guys, welcome to the TenorShare channel. So picture this, your new Android phone has arrived. You downloaded WhatsApp, but your chat history, photos and videos are disappeared. They only exist on your old Android phone. And you want to transfer all your WhatsApp data from the old Android phone. But you don't know what to do. Don't worry, I've got you. In this video, I'll walk you through two practical, step-by-step ways to restore your WhatsApp backup to your Android device. Method 1. Transfer WhatsApp with iCareFone transfer. If your data is too much to back up, or the backup just fails, you can simply use iCareFone transfer to move everything directly. Plus, you can even save your data on your computer. It's not only fast, but also super safe. Here's how it works. First, use a data cable to connect both your old Android phone and your new Android phone to the computer. Then, open iCareFone WhatsApp transfer and select the WhatsApp option. Make sure you choose the correct source device and target device, and then click Transfer. Next, the software may ask you to back up your WhatsApp data on the source device before the transfer. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the backup. Once the backup is done, the software will extract your WhatsApp data from the source device. This may take a few minutes depending on the size of your data. After that, you can select the type of files you want to transfer. Click Continue, and the transfer process will begin. Wait for a moment, and once it's finished, you can check your new Android phone to confirm that all your WhatsApp data has been successfully transferred. As you can see, iCareFone transfer makes this a super easy, one-click process that's perfect for beginners. It won't cause any data loss, and the best part is, you can not only transfer WhatsApp data, but also back it up to your computer locally. The second method is not as user-friendly, but you can refer to it for reference. Method 2. Android to Android using Google Drive. As long as your Google Drive has enough space and you've backed up all your chats, you can move your WhatsApp data over directly. On your old phone, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, then Chats, and tap Chat Backup. Backup to Google Drive. Make sure end-to-end encrypted backup is turned off and two-step verification is disabled before you back up. Now on your new phone, install WhatsApp, sign in with the same phone number and the same Google account. WhatsApp will detect the backup. Just tap Restore and wait for it to finish. This works fine if Google Drive detects the backup, but it's limited. You can't pick what to restore, and if the backup doesn't show up, you're out of luck. So I still recommend using iCareFone transfer. It's safe, fast, and very convenient. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. See you in the next one.